Here's what people get wrong about car accident lawyers that drive me crazy.
Number one, you can't afford to hire a car accident lawyer today. This is completely wrong because you never pay a car accident lawyer upfront. We only get paid if our client wins. So basically, we win together. Typically, a personal injury lawyer charges a percentage of the settlement that we're able to recover on behalf of the client.
Number two, that we are all ambulance chasers.
First of all, I'm not an ambulance chaser. Do you see an ambulance here in this office somewhere? I don't see one.
I don't have time to go do that because I run a business, I represent my clients, and also it's actually illegal. You can't do that. I would lose my license if I did that.
Being an ambulance chaser used to be a thing many years ago, but someone got very wise and said, this is not okay. It's not okay to be in the hospital stressing people out, telling them to sign a piece of paper. The law actually protects the victims of a crash so that you don't have 50 attorneys in the hospital with you.
Number three,
if you hire a lawyer, you will have to go to court. It's actually very ironic. The people who hire my law firm immediately after the crash are the ones that are less likely to go to court. Because when you hire a lawyer, basically we got you in the process so that you don't mess up your case and you don't see yourself facing the insurance company in the courthouse. I went to law school so that I could be in a courtroom all day long and have all these very dramatic moments where surprise evidence comes up and everybody thinks I'm so awesome. In real life, it doesn't work like that. 98% of cases that we handle are actually negotiated with the insurance company. Number four, if you hire a car accident lawyer, you will be going after a person. Let me tell you a little bit more about that. Personal injury lawyers are not interested in a person's personal assets. We're only interested in making sure that the insurance company pays. Just because you hire a car accident lawyer doesn't make you a horrible person. It makes you someone who is being smart and trying to hold an insurance company accountable. If you're in a situation where you feel like you can't get a consultation with an attorney because you feel bad for the other driver, let me tell you, we're not interested in going after the other driver or taking money out of his pocket. We're only interested in holding that person's insurance company accountable and making sure that they're paying you for what you deserve. All personal injury lawyers are men. Clearly, that's not true. We only deal with life or death instances. Well, actually, most of our cases don't deal with someone who was hospitalized or has broken bones. Most of our cases deal with someone who was injured. So regardless of what your injury is, if you're injured in a car accident, you should definitely call a lawyer. Most of our clients just have injuries that seem mild, but they're not necessarily mild. Something like back pain or neck pain could be something that haunts you for the rest of your life. That's why it's important to always get checked out, always get a consultation with an attorney, just in case it turns into a bigger deal.